Hey guys, Ci Clubsport here with a quick update. We have a replacement second-hand spray nozzle thing to go into here. Whoops, to go into here. So let's quickly change it. Right, so we are going to get the water coming out, of course. All I need is a pick tool and a pair of pincers. And first thing, is to remove the bodywork. Now where's the clips? Come on, sweetheart. Okay. Now I'm going to fit this to the new one. Somehow. There we go. Alright, so we just gotta replace that. Whew. Yep, that seems about right. So we just grab this again and do the quick switcheroo. Assuming I've got something to grab onto now. There we go. So we grab hold of the pipe like this and get ready. Not that bad. And there we go. Job done. But does it work? Let's test it. How about the booster as well? Yeah. Yeah, all good. Yeah. Like a ticket? Yeah. Awesome. So yeah, we can call that a fix. It is drenched, so hopefully it won't leak anymore. I'm going to quickly dry this up, and then when that dries on the floor there shouldn't be any more leaks after that, because I think we've sealed it, because I came down a couple of days after I did fix the replacement seal, and the ground was completely bone dry. So yeah, there you go, job done.